Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can basically create a Google Colab and connect it with your GitHub account. If you have a GitHub account, you want to push it in your GitHub account, your code, so that whenever you make any change it will be changed over there also. So to get started, let's just jump in. Let's start by writing here Google Colab. Okay, when you write Google Colab, you will go to the first link, Google Colab, and you open it. When you open it, you have to give a title. Anything you can give as the title of your Google Colab. I'm going to create it. I'm just going to tell it the name as let's say analysis. Okay, so I have to hit in this button, new notebook. So it will create my new notebook, and after that we will be able to directly push this one to our GitHub, so that any change we make will be affected there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the name by just I'll give the same name, doing analysis, and I'll hit enter. So the first thing that I want to do is that let me write something here so that we can see that one inside our GitHub repository. So just write a simple print hello hello world, this is my first trial on GitHub. Okay, so this is the message that I want to see. It's just initializing for the runtime environment, so that every time we want to run, it is ready, it's initializing, and now it's ready. They provide us the RAM and the disk. So what I'm going to do now to push it in my GitHub, I'm going to come to this side, and I can see file here. I have to right click, and then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see save a copy in GitHub, and what you have to do, just hit in that save copy in GitHub, and what it will do, it will check for the access. But for me, I already authorize it, so they will ask you to provide your password for your GitHub account. So you just need to put your password. Don't forget your password. You put your password, then directly they will direct you in this window. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to select in which repository I want to copy this file. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change this one to bank management system. I have all these repositories, so I'm going to select one, so that whenever I post it, it will be in this side. So let me put it in this data analysis. I just need to hit it. You don't need to worry about the branch, it's master branch, or you can commit the message. This is the message that you can change it if you want, or you can, and when you check this box, it means like you are just able to change it. You can share the link. Whenever you hit in that link from your GitHub account, it will directly direct you to Google Colab. You will be able to make a change and everything. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave it as it is right now, but you can change it as well. So I'm going to hit OK. When I hit OK, then it is copying to my GitHub directly. You can see it now, it's direct me to my GitHub account. So this is my GitHub account. This is what I have done so far. This is the hello world that I printed on GitHub. So if I want to now or make any change, I just need to click on Google Colab here, and it will directly directing me here. Also, I can just print something here, print another try, and then I just need to run it, and then they are telling me, they are warning me this notebook was not authorized by Google. So what I have to do now, I have to say that run it anyway. Okay, so it means I'm allocating resources and trying to run it in directly to my Google Colab. So this is what I have done so far. So this is basically what you have to do to share it in your to share your code in your GitHub account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video, and just keep watching. I'll keep uploading, and do comment and share, please.